Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to EVS class. So, what we were dealing in the previous class? Yes, we were studying about different games and rules. So, in the previous class we have studied different rules, isn't children? Not only in the games, but also at home, at school and at different places we have to follow rules and regulations. Just recall the topic children. In the previous class, we have studied. What we have studied? The rules and regulations in Kabaddi, and we have seen about signaling system. Yes, traffic rules we have seen, and how to cross the zebra crossing. Yes, how to cross the road at zebra crossing. Why we are only crossing at zebra crossing? To avoid accidents. Yes, all this we have studied in the previous class. And we have studied also some rules and regulations which we are following in the schools. Just recall once again children. So as per the rules, students, teachers, headmaster, everyone should attend the assembly, school assembly every day. So all this we have seen in our previous class. So according to timetable, we have to follow all the classes and children should play only during games period. So in government schools, they were providing midday meals. So all these we have studied in our previous class. Have you recalled children? I hope everyone understood till here. Okay. So now yesterday we said that we are going to discuss about a very important thing which we have to follow in our daily life. Yes children, everyone should know about this. So safety rules not only there in crossing the road or we have to follow at home, school, not only this but also we have one more important safety rule, that is we should follow personal body safety rules. Okay, this is the topic for today, that is we should follow personal body safety rules while interacting with others. So what do you understood by this children? Yes. So body is somebody's personal. For example, this is your body. So it is your personal body. So no one have a right on your body. Who has a right on your body? Only you. You are the master of your body. So you have to follow some safety rules. Either it is a girl or it is a boy. Anybody. You have to follow some personal body safety rules. Okay children, so here are some tips that how you have to follow your personal body safety rules. So following the personal body safety rules help us to be safe. Yes children, everyone should be aware about this. Okay, so if you want to be in a safe position, you should know the personal body safety rules. So we should wear dresses which covers our body parts. Okay, first rule, we should wear dresses which cover our body parts. Okay, next one, never question or speak to the strangers about your body parts. Okay, you should never talk about your body parts with any strangers. Okay, never be quiet. Okay children, this is very important thing. Never be quiet when others try to touch you. Okay, nobody have a right. Okay, without your permission no one should touch your body, only your mother and your father. Okay, now we should speak only to faithful persons. So we should speak only to the faithful persons. Okay children, so we should not talk to the strangers. So similarly, to govern yourself, we have framed certain rules in our constitution. So you know children, constitution. Yes, so we are all following our constitution, Indian constitution. Some rules and regulations are there where our Indians will follow. So every country has some constitution. So about this you are going to study in your class 5. So introduction about your constitution will be there in your class 5. So here are some videos, children. Let us see this. So body safety rules. See this one. Body safety rules. First rule. You are the boss of your body. So who is the boss of your body? Yes, you. Only you. Second thing. Listen to the warning signals of your body to know if you feel safe or unsafe. See children, if you are safe or not safe, you have to know. Okay, you have to know how to be safe. You should not talk to the strangers about your body parts. It is very important. Okay, next one, love and appreciate your body. Okay, don't feel that you're fat or you're white or you're black. No, you are the boss of your body. Try to love yourself so that you will be fit and fine. And you have to eat all healthy, balanced diet. Okay, children? So whatever your parents cook, you have to eat completely so that you will become a boss of your body. Next one. When you feel unsafe, remember to shout, run and tell your parents. So whom you will feel safe, children? If you feel safe with your mom, you go and talk to your mom or else your teacher or else your father. Okay? So see children, this is very important thing. When you feel you are unsafe, remember to shout, run and tell your parents. Next, fifth rule. So when you feel unsafe, always speak to trusted adult. So trusted adult, whom you trust, children? Whom you believe more? Yes, maximum you will believe more in your father and mother. Okay, so you should go and talk. Either it is a girl child or it is a boy child, you have to speak with your parents whenever you are feeling unsafe. Okay. Did you understood this, children? Yes, this is a body safety rules everyone should follow. Next, here are the smart ways to keep yourself safe. So these are the smart ways to keep yourself safe. Okay. So here just see these outline pictures. Okay. So you are the boss of your body. So be careful about your body parts and you don't take any gifts or the people strangers who feel to try to trap you. Don't take any sweets or money or gifts from strangers. When they offer, you should reject them. Okay. So if you are not interested in hugging or in giving what, you have to know what is a good touch and bad touch. Okay. So parents, please give this information about good touch and bad touch to your children. It is very important nowadays. So we have to make our children safe. That is our motto. Next one. So don't keep any secrets for yourself, children. If anything is there, you should talk to your parents. Don't keep any secrets for yourself. You should talk to your parents. If anyone touches you in different places, you say no and you have to go from that place. You shout and get away from that place. And you have to tell your parents. So it is not your fault. So the people who are doing all that bad things, that is their fault. You have to speak out with your parents, children. See, if you speak out with your parents, you will be safe and you should be you should follow all these rules to keep yourself safe. I hope everyone understood, children. Yes, this is very important topic in our daily life. We have to follow our body safety rules. Okay. Now see here, see this box, blue box. So we often touch each other when we talk or play games or sports. But we should be careful about who touches us deliberately. Deliberately means, okay. So you have to keep in your mind and be careful. So tell them not to touch and you have to inform your parents. Okay. Next thing, I am a safe person. I am a safe person. if I follow, yes, if I follow personal body safety rules for myself and others also, okay children, for yourself and also for others. So I am a safe person. So when you will be a safe person? When you follow personal body safety rules, then only you will be a safety person. Okay? Now, see, I do not touch or talk or behave in an unsafe way with others. So you should also remember children. Now you are growing up, you should know everything. So you should also be careful that you should not, do not touch or talk or behave in a unsafe way with others. This is also very important thing. So have you learned what you learned for today children? Today's class, what you have learned about personal body safety rules. So if you follow this, you will become a safety person. Okay. Now let us move on to the next topic. Can everybody play games? Just think children, can everybody play games? Yes, everybody like games. Everybody like games. But do all people play games? Yes, children, everybody can play games. Okay? No, not only rich, not only poor, not only healthy, not only unhealthy. Every person can play games. Nowadays, there are no separate games for girls and boys. All are playing the games equally. But in olden days, or here you can see one small example they have given in Rangapuram, girls play games like Asta Chemma. You know about Asta Chemma, okay? And Tokkud Billa, okay? Tennicoit. What is tennicoit? You know ring, no? Yes, rubber ring. Ring game. Throwing the ring. Yes. Next, Vamana Gunta. So I hope you know about Vamana Guntalu. You can ask your parents. See some one box, one wooden box will be there. In that they will play with some what seeds of these tamarind seeds they used to collect and they used to play. Or else they can use to play with Gavvalu. You know about Gavvalu? Yes, with that they used to play. So this is Vamana Gunta, etc. And boys used to play games like cricket, volleyball, football, etc. But nowadays, any difference is there, children? No, everyone. Girls are also playing cricket, volleyball, football. Okay. Now let us see about this. So think. Do you think it is right for boys and girls to play different games? Yes, children. You think for yourself. Nowadays, all are playing all games, so there is no difference between girls and boys. Anyone can play any games. Okay. Now, can everyone play all the games? So, how do you feel about it? Give some examples. See, children, someone have interest in playing badminton. Someone will be having interest in playing cricket, chess, and different things they want to play. So everyone don't have same interest. Okay, according to their interest, they will play. Now see this. Observe these pictures. Who is she? Yes, she is Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal. She is a yes, she is a shuttle player. Now you can see here. Yes, Vishwanathan Anand. Yes, he's a gem in chess. Now, Mithali Raj. Yes, she is a woman cricketer. Now, see here, Mary Kom. Yes, she is a very good boxer. Koneru Hampi. She is also chess player. Now, see here, Karanam Malleshwari. She is a weightlifter. So, she is also a woman. Even though she is doing this, Olympic Games, she is a very gem in this. Yes, lifting, weightlifting. Okay. So Gagan Narang, so he is a shooter, a very good shooter. And Sania Mirza, badminton player. So see here children, so all either they are women or men, they are playing all different kinds of games according to their interest, and they made our India proud in winning different medals, okay, gold medal, Olympic medals. So they are yes, making India proud. Okay, observe the people in the picture given above. Do you know who are they? So what games do they play? What is special about them? So now only we discuss. So each one are special in playing different games. According to their interest, they were playing all these games. So these sports persons made our country proud with their achievements. So how did they achieve them? So how did they achieve, children? Yes, according to their interest and their hard work. So they followed all the rules of the games and they had a practice well. Yes, by this they have won so many achievements. Now see here, had they not played games every day? Yes, every day they used to play. So, would they have succeeded as great sports persons? Yes, all of them have been succeeded because of their hard work and dedication. Okay, children. So, if we also play daily and if you show this dedication and if you follow all the rules and regulations, you will also become a great sportsman. Okay. So anyone can play games. There are many sportswomen in our country. So many sportswomen are there in our country who made our country proud. So many women players won medals not only at the national level but also at the international level like Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, Olympic Games, etc. So all this, children, these are the international levels like Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, Olympic Games. So all these are different national games, children, where all these great sportsmen were participated. Okay, and they have won some medals also. So on par with men, women used to play all different kinds of games and they have achieved many medals. Now see here, women are excelling in all the fields including games. So not only in games also they are excelling. So you have to remember, children, that games can be played by men or women. Everyone are equal in games. Okay, it is a sportsman spirit. So everyone can play games, not only for girls or not only for boys. Everyone can play games. So this is about your today's topic. Once again, remember, children, recall all these great players. And next thing what we have discussed in about this safety rules, body safety rules, you have to follow. Don't forget all these things, you have to follow and you have to remember. Okay, by this today we will end our class, and tomorrow we will discuss, that is in the next class we will discuss about games, victory and defeat in games. All this we will discuss in the next class. Okay, try to read textbook and try to underline the hard words. Okay, children, now take care. Thank you.